The fruits of Tajikistan. The Republic of Tajikistan is located in the southeastern part of Central Asia. The land, flora and fauna of Tajikistan are diverse, fertile and highly capable. There are a wide variety of fruits grown in Tajikistan, and this sunny country is famous for its juicy fruits. There are more than 5,000 species of plants, 850 of which are typical to the nature of Tajikistan. A variety of fruits such as apples, apricots, grapes, peaches, walnuts, pomegranates, pears, cherries, figs, plums, and others are grown in the gardens of Tajikistan. Grapes growing in the Hisar Valley have a unique taste. The grape growers of this valley have endless vineyards and grow dozens of varieties of grapes, which have many buyers, not only in the country but also abroad. The Hisar Valley of Tajikistan is famous for its grapes. There are 236 varieties of grapes are grown in Tajikistan, including 193 regional types, which differ in botanical and biological specificities. In addition, depending on the importance, the grapes can be conditionally divided into edible types: for fresh eating, wine for the production of wine, champagne, cognac; technical for the production of juice, drinks, grape juice, jam, and others. Such a classification allows to produce high-quality products from grapes. In the second half of the 19th century, the chemical composition of grapes was thoroughly studied and a new branch of medicine, empirotherapy, gained a scientific base. Grapes are often recommended for the treatment of mental sickness, physical fatigue, anemia, emaciation, heart, kidney, and lung disorders. Eating of grapes is useful to reduce blood clots, phlegm, treat polyarthritis, tuberculosis, rheumatism, and breathlessness. gardeners of Sugd region of Tajikistan are known first of all for their sweet apricots. Dozens of apricots and other fruits are grown here. In particular, apricots of Isvara and Kanibadam are world famous, and hundreds of thousands of tons of apricots are sold annually. Apricot is one of the best subtropical fruits. Apricots are eaten both in fresh and dried. In terms of nutritional value, apricots take the first place among the peat fruits. Apricot jams, juices, and drinks are made from apricot. Dried apricots are very popular. Eating of dried apricots is useful for people with heart disease, anemia, and avitaminosis. Rasht is one of the most fertile valleys of Tajikistan, which has been known for its delicious apples and pears from the ancient times. Rasht apples and pears are the most popular in all markets of Tajikistan, and thousands of tons of these fruits are annually exported to far and near foreign countries. Apples contain ferrium, iron, and other useful to the human body elements. Nearly 80% of Tajikistan's subtropical fruit gardens consist of pomegranate yards. Pomegranate is grown mainly in Vash and Kafarnihan valleys. Not only do people use its sweet juice for their health, but they also eat the skin and the bud to prevent cancer. Pomegranate is rich in potassium, iron minerals, and vitamin C, as well as vitamins B1, B2, calcium, and phosphorus. Pomegranate prevents arteriosclerosis and cures cardiovascular diseases. It is useful for skin health and prevents skin infections. It is useful for inflammation of the stomach and mouth ulcers. Useful for lowering cholesterol. Reduces joint pain and strengthens body muscles, heart, and teeth. maintains blood sugar balance, and is good for people with diabetes. Pomegranate strengthens the immune system and promotes the growth of useful bacteria in the intestines. In the gardens and forests of Tajikistan grow juniper, pistachio, walnut, lemon, date, peach, agate, almond, and others. Agates are of great importance for medicine. Agate grows mostly in Badakhshan. Pistachios are grown in the southwest of the country. The total area of pistachios is 70,000 hectares. Walnut trees give good yields in all regions of Tajikistan. In general, Tajikistan is rich in fruitful trees, and there are thousands of plant species that are widely used by the population.